Dear students, welcome to all of you in English class. Hope that all of you are well at your home. Dear students, today we will solve the exercise of chapter 4, that is the cop and the anthem of your supplementary book, that is An Alien Hand. Dear students, as you know that this is very interesting story. This is a story of a man, Soapy, which is written by O. Henry. Dear students, today we will solve the exercise which is written at page number 29. The first question of this exercise is, what are some of the signs of approaching winter referred to in the text? प्यारे बच्चों, वे कौन से कुछ संकेत हैं जो कहानी में आने वाली सर्दी के बारे में बताते हैं? The answer of this question is, there are certain signs to show that winter is coming. Birds begin to fly south. People want new warm coats. Dead leaves fall on the ground. Moreover, Soapy's mind also realized that fact. Now, dear children, let's go to question number 2. Write true or false against each of the following. The first sentence is, Soapy did not want to go to prison. The answer is false. Similarly, second sentence, Soapy had been to prison several times. The answer of this question is true. Now, third sentence, it was not possible for Soapy to survive in the city through the winter. The answer of this question is false. Now, fourth sentence, Soapy hated to answer questions of a personal nature. The answer of this question is true. Now, dear students, let's go to third question. What was Soapy's first plan? Why did it not work? प्यारे बच्चों, सोपी की प्रथम योजना क्या थी? यह सफल क्यों नहीं हुई? The answer of this question is, Soapy's first plan was to have a good dinner at some restaurant. Then he would say that he had no money to pay, and then a cop would be called. The cop would arrest him. He would be taken to a judge and sent him to prison. But it did not work because as he put his foot inside the restaurant door, the head waiter saw his condition and he turned him out. Now, dear students, let's go to question number 4. But the cop's mind would not consider Soapy. What did the cop not consider and why? प्यारे बच्चों, लेकिन सिपाही का दिमाग सोपी के बारे में विचार नहीं करता. सिपाही ने क्या विचार नहीं किया और क्यों? The answer of this question is, the cop's mind would not consider Soapy, as men who break windows do not stop there to talk to cops. They run away as fast as they can, whereas Soapy stood still and he smiled when he saw the cop. Now, dear students, let's go to fifth question. We have orders to let them shout. What is the policeman referred to? प्यारे बच्चों, हमें आदेश हैं कि इन्हें चिल्लाने दिया जाए. सिपाही किस संदर्भ में बात कर रहा है? The answer of this question is, the policeman referring to orders given to him about college boys. The orders were to let them shout because they would not hurt anything. Now, let's go to question number 6. Write true or false against each of the following. First sentence is, Soapy stole a man's umbrella. The answer is true. Now, second sentence, the owner of the umbrella offered to give it to Soapy. The answer is true. Now, third sentence, the man had stolen the umbrella that was now Soapy's. The answer is true. Now, fourth sentence, Soapy threw away the umbrella. The answer is true. Now, Dear students, let's go to last question of this exercise, that is question 7. There was a sudden and wonderful change in his soul. What brought about the change in Sophie? प्यारे बच्चों, उसकी आत्मा या मन में अचानक एक अद्भुत परिवर्तन आया। सोपी में यह परिवर्तन किस कारण से आया? The answer of this question is, Sophie is suddenly reminded of his childhood home and mother after hearing the sweet music and brought the change in Sophie. The old memories gave him new strength. He decided to fight to change his life. He wanted to pull himself up out of the mud. He decided to make a man of himself again. So dear students, I hope that you understand all the question answers of this exercise. Dear students, there is a worksheet along with this video. Kindly solve the questions given in the worksheet so that you can make more understanding about this exercise. Thank you. Be happy and safe.